The garden, yeah.
In page 47 for you. It says, because now he's a gardener, right?
Yeah.
I feel like being the author of this green that is not mine. I plant their gardens. I prune their bushes. I pick their flowers and water the slave trees that never bear fruits. I bring to this place bags of dirt that smell of my town, of humidity after the storm, and I see them play in a pool that is not like the pond in which I used to play because it has no life, because it doesn't talk at night. In this place, in these houses in which all appetite is satisfied, I see somebody else's children happy. Surely there were owls here once, but they were killed.